I'm the fanciest Rick on this map.
NY girls, let me see your hands. Wave 'em at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let 'em know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my LA girls.
Okay, manike. Sasukufake lip gloss ngiyarutsha.
Hayi feeling hayi intsongo ndaqala uyiva phofu ke ndaqala noyibona ingapha kwefilimu ndizibonele ngoku anayo mhlawumbi kukhula napho sibona izinto ngoku
Nginjani? Okay, asibe serious. Guys, saniboni ngiyathe ukuthi niyaphila. Guys, welcome back to another vlog for YouTube. Lalela ngaze ngajabula. I'm so excited to have you guys here today. Before siqale, if this is your first time seeing me, Gamela Mulangelisha Zulu. I am a content creator. Content eminingi vamsu uyiposta ku TikTok, but now we're finally here on YouTube. Nje siyaposta nakhona ngiyachazela. Again, ngiyabonga ukuba lana siyakwamukela la emndenini wethu guys, ngiyachazela. And if you're already part of the family, and also Buile Foods, you're still back here again. Uyazike now. Ngiyakulava, ngiyanida, ngikuthanda. Okay, guys, I think I look at let me just give you a rundown of what is happening throughout this vlog. So one of the things that I did, I went out for Valentine's. Guys, this was my first Valentine's. I was so happy. Shame. Gone girl era nje siphakathi. I also went out to the beach, I also recorded live vlog. Ama video amaningi ango January. So ngangisalukile leso sikhathi ngahamba ngayodaya, ngaqaqa inwele, I did my hair. Ngenza nani futhi. Oh, and I also went for lokhu njani birthday ya cousin wami uBhumba, so she was having a birthday. Sama saw celebrate sayoyitika, and I also did like a short video ngipheka. So ilokho enizofica guys ule vlog namhlanje. With that being said, cela manje sibuke ke sibone ukuthi yena bisikade senza ini nan, and I'll see you guys maybe later. Okay, enjoy.
When uyangiphusha
Hey guys, singibuyile kwaze kwashisa. But anyways, this is what I got. Ngihambile ngayothenga I bought this hair mayonnaise. Ngithenge le mayonnaise lena for the hair. I'm just gonna use it ngiconditioner kahle ikhanda. Mangiqeda ukushampunisha nje ngifake deep conditioner ihlale so that my hair can feel rejuvenated. Zikwazi ukuphumula futhi. This is seriously they try because I need to get another one. It's wrong image. Okay.
When uyangiphusha.
Okay, and then ngatenga dye. So I'm gonna dye my hair with caramel blonde. Ngatenga about 2 just in case, just because the last time using dye that was more than enough. So as I'm saying I'm not sure. So I was just like getting 2 just in case. And then I bought a nail polish. And zonke lezi zinto guys, it ended up being 150. Ngithenge ebuhle bemvelo, so I can't wait. Ngalendlela ngalendlela sengijahe ngawuqaqa yonke lento sengifuna nje ukuyikhipha. So I'm just going to do that because ngiyisike ngiyitrim and then asisithi bye bye. So guys, I don't know if you're recording. Okay. So guys, let's say you finished product. I'm happy. ngijabulile. Yeah, so ave sengithanda ukuyenza le nto njalo uma ngenza ama-reels kids. I don't know, like nje there's something about it. I like it so much. It gives that thing of just, you know, sprinkles and rainbows. And I don't know, but I like it. Gazing Sanbon. So guys, this was a few days later. Lolu suku nje belumnandi luphulile, ngadlula vakishela inkukhu zami bakithi. And ngalolu suku uMhlophe bekuyigema lakhe yokupheka, so ke besenzela ukhari nophuthu. And ntambama bese ngilungiselela ukwenza i-maintenance vlog. uMhlophe bekade ngilukile, wangenza nje lesinuphu esitwistile. Ngisazosiqaqa mase ngiyibhishko. One thing about uMhlophe ave ngathanda ukushoot. But anyways, yena ubekade buka i-vlog ku-YouTube. While mina ngisakhipha i-nail polish, ngathi nje ngifuna ukwenza obhozo guys. Cela nibuka awe matches. Ngavele nga-remove yonke into yale cutex remover, ngasebenzisa lama-earbud. Ayibo ama-cotton buds. Cela ubambe thwahla. And bengifuna ufaka nje nale cutex khona kuzothi ukuthi. Oh, and if usabuka namanje, ngithanda ukuthi ngikuthanda isicefe. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nizoyi-enjoy le maintenance vlog encane. Angedanga music omningi, I just kept it as is. But anyways, enjoyani ke guys. Ningoma zami lezi vele lana nangithi.
Why does it sound like that? Hey.
Same night on for a week. Off-white collab, Mac hanging out the Lamborghini. If you slip, I better catch your ass. Get you 32 real fast. My nigga, this hauling Nash.
Nokuthi iyashesha yona lo ngane. Asibheke nawe kukemasha ubude endele khona ngapha ethola ngapha undumiso uthini nopembe uthi umdlalo omusha baqhubeka kunento zesitekile lapha eboxini.
Lord.
Wenzani?
Yeah.
No! God, please, no! No!
Ngaleso sikhathi kusengabi ngiyawuzwa Lana manje on foil. Hey mfethu.
Maybe it's not marriage. Maybe it's love.
Well, whatever it is, pray that it never hits you.
I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way you say it is.
It's gotta be that way with me.
Ngiyathanda baby, ngiyaswela ngawe, ngizofaka indandatho, ngizofaka indandatho.
Well guys, cos yaphela-ke. Kaningixolele bandla nge-setup. I'm in the toilet right now. Ngishawa ngisekhaya kavile. So izinto zami nje ngingayiphathanga. But anyways, asikho-ke lapho. You guys, sengizenze njalo futhi ngikhathele ngidubekile, angisafuni lutho, but sakhetha ukuba i-content creator, so the job needs to be done. Umsebenzi kumele wenziwe. Ividiyo ebuye from eqaleni kwaze kwamanje manje thanda ukuthi nje ngiyabonga kakhulu njengenjwayelo-ke niyasike ngiyakulava ngiyangithanda isicefu. Maqeda lana nje guys ngizovele ngi-edithe mase ngayiphosta in just a few minutes. With that being said guys, ngicela nibe right, nibe strong and you take care. And this last part is just something special for umuntu thizeni. Hlabathi wena, manzi mina. Exactly. And that was my day today, guys. Bye. Ooh.